subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you haven't seen my last video, please give a watch. First China and now Pakistan. The Indian military has been talking about a two-front war with neighbors Pakistan and China for decades to keep politicians focused on defense spending. Now that scenario is looking ever more realistic, with conflict flaring on both its dispute borders. Talk earlier this week between top Chinese and Indian army commanders in the Ladakh region ended without a major breakthrough, the second such attempt to cooling things down since 20 Indian soldiers and an unknown number of Chinese troops were killed on June 15. Around the same time, weapons and explosive were recovered and two suspected terrorists were killed after a 15 hours gun battle some 660 kilometers away in South Kashmir, officials said. India has fought 4 wars with China and Pakistan since it gained freedom from British rule in 1947, but it has never had to defend both borders at the same time. Indian military officials are growing concerned that China and Pakistan might gang up on New Delhi at a time when Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government is faced with surging coronavirus infection. At the same time, India's 742-kilometer line of control with Pakistan has become equally active and tense. Indian troops have faced regular cross-border firing and engaged in counter-terror operations in the hinterland. Comparison between strength of India and China's defense forces. In 2020, China had a largest active military force in the world, with about 2.18 million active troops. India, the United States, North Korea and Russia rounded out the top 5 countries with largest active duty military forces according to Statista. China ranks third in aircraft strength according to Global Firepower. It has 3,210 aircraft in comparison to India, which ranks fourth with 2,123 aircraft. Most importantly, China has 2 times number of fighters and interceptors than India. China's tank strength stand at 3,200 plus compared to India's stupendous 4,200 plus according to Global Firepower. But China's armored fighting vehicles are at staggering 33,000 and India's pales into insignificance with just over 8,600. According to the recent data, China has 10 times more rocket projects at 2,650 than India's 266. India urgently seeks Russian missile systems. India is pushing Russia to speed up the delivery of missiles defense system as ties with China deteriorates following the worst military clash between the Asian nations in 4 decades. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh plans to seek the advanced delivery of Russian S-400 anti-craft missile defense system, currently due in December 2021, and purchase of Russian-made jet fighters Su-30 MKI and MiG-29. India and Russia signed the S-400 deal worth than $5 billion in 2018. Russia's current contract with India amount to 14 billion, while with China it is about 2 billion right now, said Chief of the Center of Analysis of Strategies and Technologies. The S-400 is capable of destroying incoming hostile aircraft, missiles and even drones within a range of up to 400 km. It has a tracking capability of nearby 600 km. Now India is getting ready to fight against a bigger war with China.